welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell, we are in the kitchen because I'm going to be making fall/Thanksgiving mini cupcakes. My aunt, uncle, and cousins ordered 2 dozen mini cupcakes and I'm so excited to make them for them. So I'm going to be making pumpkin spice cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. These sound so good. The recipe I'm using is from Chelsea's Kitchen, so it will be linked down below if you want to try it out for yourself because I'm sure it's a delicious recipe. And without further ado, let's start baking. So I'm just going to measure out all of my ingredients and then we can start to bake. And I'm going to measure, I'm using a scale because that is a lot more accurate than using measuring cups. Now that I have all my ingredients measured out, I can start to make the actual cupcake batter. So first I need to place the flour, sugar, dark brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and pumpkin spice into the mixing bowl. So here's the flour, sugar, brown sugar. And then here I have the baking soda, baking powder, salt, and pumpkin spice. And this is gently whisked to combine. So now we add in the vegetable oil and the pumpkin puree. The vegetable oil is the only thing that I measured out in a cup. And then stir until the ingredients are incorporated. Just gonna scrape down the bowl. And then lastly, I add in the 2 eggs. And now the batter is done. That was literally so easy. So I have this giant mini cupcake tin that I got a few weeks ago and I haven't even used it yet. I'm so excited to use it. And then I have these cute mini cupcake paper cup things. They have a candy corn on the bottom because they were like supposed to be for Halloween, but the sides are still like fall colors, I feel like, so they still work for Thanksgiving. So I'm just gonna line the tin with all the cups, put them in the oven, and then we can start on making the frosting. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the cupcakes to bake in the oven, I'm going to start on the cream cheese frosting. So here are all my ingredients for the cream cheese frosting. Look at this giant mountain of powdered sugar. This is hilarious. This is 6 cups of powdered sugar or 750 grams. This frosting is gonna be so delicious. And I actually already took the cupcakes out of the oven and they're cooling right now because they baked so fast since they're so tiny. So first I'm gonna beat the butter and the cream cheese together. And now we have the powdered sugar in 1 cup at a time. And also says alternate with small splashes of this heavy whipping cream. Oh, did you see that?
No.
I put way too much. And lastly, I'm gonna add in the salt and the vanilla. So I just frosted some mini cupcakes and now I'm going to whip up a quick batch of dairy-free frosting because a lot of my cousins cannot have dairy, and then I'm going to decorate some more cupcakes. Now that I have the dairy-free frosting all mixed, I'm going to finish decorating all the cupcakes, box them up, and then I'm done. Okay, now I'm walking to my friend's house with some cupcakes for her. She lives literally up the street from me, so I can just walk to her house. It's like a 3-minute walk. Such a pretty fall day. I have your cupcakes.
Yay!
Hello, little kitty. Oh. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I'm going to start posting my Christmas videos next week, and I'm so excited, so make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!